Brad Lawler, owner of Home Team Inspection Service. This email came in from Derek, who noticed new cracks in his foundation and brick steps after the repeated freeze-thaw cycles that we've had so far this winter. It got up, 65 this past week? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Minus
Winter's,
what? And then up to...
yeah. Winter's still here, though. Winter's still here. It's not quite done yet.
All right. So Derek is worried the house is shifting, and he wants to know, how can homeowners tell the difference between seasonal movement, if that's such a thing, and a structural problem that needs immediate attention, Brad?
Yeah, so that's a good question. Right now, there's a whole lot of things that are going on with houses. Everything from small cracks, like you may see in mortar that's gotten wet, it's gotten some water in it, and the hard freeze has expanded it in such a way that it's cracked the mortar. But it's only done that. We've got parged coatings, that cement type coating that covers the foundation portion that's above the ground. That's getting cracks in it again because of freeze thaw cycles. But really, I think the bigger question is when do you get the foundation guys out there? When do you get the structural guys out there? When you start seeing things like windows that are not able to be opened, doors that aren't hanging straight anymore, a crack that we see outside, that we also see evidence of it on the inside, maybe around a window. That's really when you need to get a foundation company to take a look to see what's going on. Because, yeah, there's some seasonal cracking, but a lot of the things are just the envelope, just the outside of the structure outside of your house, that those building materials, when they get wet, when they get water in them and they freeze, they will develop small cracks. So I think that's the easiest way. If it's something you're seeing on the inside of your house that's not working exactly right, or you have a new crack in a wall over a window near your ceiling, that's when you want to go ahead and call the foundation company.
All right. So, Brad, on a similar note, let's say Chuck's walking around his condo and he sees that there's a crack along maybe where the drywall seams are, right?
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, Chuck, that could happen.
Yep.
So is that a call structural, or is that just...
If it's along a seam, if it runs in the same line as the seam, probably not. That's probably just the building materials are shrinking when it gets cold, and they're expanding when it's warm. So a lot of times, particularly in older houses, you'll see a little gap at the top of the wall at the base of or right where it meets the ceiling.
Yeah.
And during the winter months, that opening is bigger than it is during the summer. Now, sometimes people go in and they caulk that gap, or they seal it up, and then that can cause a rip or a tear in the tape and the paint that's sealing it up. But yet usually when cracks open up just bigger in like drywall, that's more of a seasonal condition than it is a problem with the foundation, or things are actually moving.
All right, that's a trip to the hardware store to get some tape and spackle or drywall paint.
Or crown molding. Crown molding is lovely, and quite frankly, it takes care of the problem.
Yeah, except you got to learn how to do the ins, corners, and outs. That's a lot more
tricky. It can be tricky, yeah.
Give me some spackle and some sandpaper, and that'll
Fair
work.
Point.
Yep. Hey, listen, if you are thinking of selling your home, give me a call. I'll come out. It's free, no obligation, and we can talk about the process of actually getting the home sold. Again, free. It's no obligation. 376-5483. It's me, and I'll be out there.